Introduction. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra is a premium flagship-style smartphone that serves as a landmark level up for the brand, prioritizing a luxurious automotive-inspired design and massive battery endurance. Launched in April 2026, its overall conclusion is that it successfully bridges the gap between high-end mid-rangers and true flagships by offering unique features, like satellite communication and a secondary rear display, at a competitive price point. Pros. Monstrous battery life. The 7000 mAh battery is arguably the best in its class, especially given the phone remains relatively slim, 7.9 mm. Stunning design, the Pininfarina collaboration pays off, it looks and feels more expensive than it is. High-tier display, the 4500 nit peak brightness makes it perfectly readable under direct 2026 summer sun. Versatile charging, the inclusion of MagCharge, magnetic wireless, and bypass charging, powers the phone directly during gaming, is excellent for power users. Periscope lens. A 50MP periscope zoom is a rare and welcome addition to the Note series. Cons. Performance gap. While powerful, the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate chipset sits slightly below the absolute top-tier Snapdragon chips found in more expensive rivals. Software bloat. Critics from Gadget Match note that the XOS 16 interface can feel cluttered with pre-installed bloatware that detracts from the premium hardware experience. Durability limitations. It carries an IP64 rating, meaning it is only splash-resistant and lacks the full waterproof protection of many other flagship devices. Special features. World's first uni-chassis cam module, the entire rear, including the camera bump, is carved from a single sheet of Gorilla Glass Victus, creating a seamless, low-drag, supercar silhouette. Two-way satellite communication, integrated via the Thuraya network, allowing for emergency calls and messaging even without cellular coverage. Active matrix and dot matrix display, features a small LED dot matrix on the back for notifications and a floating taillight LED strip that mimics a supercar's ignition ritual. Battery self-healing tech, a proprietary system designed to restore up to 1% of battery health every 200 charge cycles, extending the lifespan of the massive 7000 mAh cell. Deluxe unboxing, usually ships in a collector's edition box including a zinc alloy MagCharge stand, Kevlar case, and high-end mag pad. Overall conclusion. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra is a premium flagship-style smartphone that serves as a landmark or level up for the brand. It's no longer just about giving you the most specs for the least money, it's about offering features that even Samsung or Apple haven't fully committed to, like the 7000 mAh battery and the integrated dot matrix design. If you are a heavy gamer or a traveler who hates carrying power banks, this is likely the best phone on the market for you. However, if you prioritize a lightweight build or a world-class ultra-wide camera, you might still look toward more traditional flagships. It is a bold, racing-inspired machine that successfully bridges the gap between mid-range and premium.